Hey, Mechanic Mode here, another video for my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to remove the rear bumper cover on 2014 Dodge Charger. First thing what you are going to do is you're going to open the trunk, and then second thing you're going to remove the clips that connects the fender liners to the rear bumper. Right here, same on the right side. Then here you got the screw, or another type of screw, but this is the bumper bracket. You got to take this bolt out. Now here, next to the mark light, you got a 10mm bolt. Same on the right side. You gotta take those out. After you remove this 10mm screw, you can see, just pull it out, the bumper comes out. And then you got these clips here, and then one big here. I'll show you. Let me take this 10mm screw out. And once you took everything out here, left side, on the right side too, the bumper is hanging. On the lower side the same, so everything hanging. You are going to take the left and right tail out, remove this panel, and then take the side trunk panel a little bit out. You also can remove this. I have a nice tool, so I can reach these 3 nuts right here. Let me show you, let me zoom it so you can see, guys. Yeah, there are 3 1. So this tail light comes out. Same here, same on the right side, as you see. I'll take the clips out too. I just did it here. You remove this, and then let me check, is it 8 or is it 7mm? Yep, 8mm. What you get is 8mm, and unscrew the nuts, and then take the tail light out. And this is the way the tail light comes out. Here's the connector. So what you do is you gotta take the screws out, because this is it's holding the bumper to the bumper bracket inside. So you gotta do the same thing here too, same as the left side. So while you're removing the bumper, you got this connector, which goes to right and left mark light, and the tag light, which is missing. I'm going to install a lamp right there, and the brand new wire harness. That's why I removed the bumper, because I have to install the new wire harness for the rear bumper mark lights and the tag light. As you see, guys, the wire harness is installed. Connector, everything's fine. Next, I'm putting this light, and you connect this back together here and put it back in here, and exactly same order you install the bumper back together. It's a bumper bracket, 10mm here, tail light, everything.